Hey guys, so I wanted to share this website with you. You'll find it in the descriptions below. So just check that link out. But this is the Bluebeam Review Release Notes website, and here you can see the latest releases, and then what maintenance or what improvements they have done. You can see past releases. You can even go back to 2017 as well and check those out. So. Definitely worth at least a quick look to see, especially if you are moving to a later release. You can see what improvements have been done. If there's been specific issues that you have been having, and if they've been resolved or not. So I just wanted to share this to get the information out there for people that are using Bluebeam. Again, you'll find the link to this site below in the description, so definitely check it out, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. You could either comment or just reach out to me directly, and thanks a lot for watching.